Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your post shareable on Facebook. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily allow people to share your post on Facebook without changing the privacy settings on your actual account. You can do this by changing the privacy setting on the post itself. So let's begin. Tap open your Facebook application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you reach to the home screen, go to your profile page, and once you do that, select any post that you want, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. From the expanded menu, tap on Edit Privacy. From the menu, under Who Can See Your Post, select Public. After you do that, you can go back. Your post will no longer be private and it will be visible to public so that they can share your post to their Facebook or any other social networking sites. That is how you can easily make your posts shareable on Facebook. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.